Hi everyone, this is White Rings. We will see the small grammar part, preposition. Let us see what is preposition. Preposition is a word or phrase that connects a noun or pronoun to a verb, or it indicates a relationship between a noun. They are usually short words and they normally are found in front of nouns. See this example. The cat jumped over the fence. Here, the preposition over connects the noun fence to the verb jumped. Second example, the gift is inside the box. Here, the preposition inside shows the relationship between the nouns the gift and the box. Basically, preposition has four kinds. First one, simple preposition. Simple preposition usually contains only one or two syllables. Example, by, from, of, through, with, till, on, at, up, to, etc. Second type, compound preposition. Compound preposition are those prepositions that are made by prefixing the preposition to a noun. Example, among, between, outside, around, within, beneath, along, across, etc. Third one, double preposition. When two prepositions are used together, they are called double preposition. Sometimes a compound preposition is formed by joining two words, but unlike that, double prepositions are always two separate words. Example, according to, up to, from behind, from within, etc. Fourth one, phrase preposition or prepositional phrase. A phrase preposition includes a preposition, an object, and a object modifier. Example, on behalf of, in course of, in order to, by virtue of, etc. These phrase prepositions are used frequently in our day-to-day life. In English, a number of prepositional phrases are there. Let's see the important prepositional phrases and its meaning with examples. First one, because of, due to, owing to. This preposition indicates the cause or the reason. See this example, then you will understand. Because of the fire, hundreds of houses went up in smoke. Owing to a lack of funds, the project will not continue next year. Evening classes were cancelled due to heavy snow. So, because of, due to, owing to always indicates the reason of an event. Number 2. In spite of, even though, although are used to link two contrasting ideas. See this example. In spite of the rain, we enjoyed the festival. So if there is a rain, naturally we will not enjoy the festival. So these are the two contrasting ideas. So with the help of the preposition, in spite of, we connected. Third one, in addition to, along with, together with. It used to adding additional information to a sentence. Example, in addition to the thick fog, there was a heavy swell. The old man hobbled along with the help of his grandson. Fourth one, instead of, in place of. It used to replace the events. See this example. Next week I am going to the beach instead of going to work. So, the instead of, in place of, these phrase prepositions are used to replace the events. Fifth one, as a result of, consequence of. It used to indicate the outcomes of something that you have done. Example, several houses were shuttered as a result of the heavy storm. So, heavy storm, the result is houses were shuttered, they were destroyed. So it always indicates the outcome of an event, the result of an event. So viewers, I hope you all understand this grammar part. If you have any doubt, comment it below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.